Okay, so Sunday at 5 o'clock or 6, I don't know what time is this now, but anyway, this is Sunday evening in the office here with Richard. And Richard just walked into the office, right? And you are like, can you share with everybody?
I showed some homes today to an agent, and she was calling back to see if we were going to put in an offer. And she was asking why our business card didn't have our agency name on it, like, Remax or something like that. And I said, it is on there. And she's like, well, it's illegal not to have it on there. I said, no, it is. It says your home sold guaranteed. And then she flipped it over and said, wow. And she goes, you really do have 25,000? I said, well, we might.
Hey, do you have your business card?
Yeah.
You speak so fast. Our friends here so we are here in the office on Sunday, and Richard get a phone call from real estate agents asking, hey, this business card is illegal. And Richard was like, what are you talking about? The business card has no company's name on it. That's basically what they're saying.
Yeah.
So I want to share with you our business card and the genius behind this. Well, I thought this is the genius behind it, right? So in California, the law requires us to put all of our company's name. In fact, it has to be bigger. It cannot be smaller than anything else, right? So what happened, Richard, from the marketing perspective, all these real estate agents, they spend a lot of money and their energy and stuff to promote their brokerage, right? So they have to put KW, Remax, Century 21, expired real estate, what else? ERA, whatever the name is, they spend thousands of dollars and making it big. Now, from the marketing perspective, though, what's happening is this. All the real estate agent, Richard, is all in one group. Everybody is fighting on the same pond because they look, smell, act, behave like real estate agents. So here in our company at the Real Estate Office of the Future, it begins. We have many things that's completely different, but it begins with the name. So from the name, so we separate it out. So our company's name is Your Home Sold Guaranteed or I'll Buy It. That is our company name. So if you go to Department of Real Estate, Richard, if you go to Department of Real Estate and then you type in your DRE name, why don't we do that now?
It says your home sold guarantee realty.
Yeah, so if you type in your DRE name, DRE number here, 020570007, and then it's going to show our corporate name, and then it's going to show doing business as DBA, your home sold guarantee, or I'll buy it. Now, the genius about this is that from the marketing perspective, look, it's not just, well, of course it starts with the business card, but it's not just about the business card. Think about online. Right? When you are online, the law requires you to put, like on the MLS, it has to put company's name and everywhere. So now, when you are showing, so you just show homes and you put this business card right there. And then when you are online, everywhere is going to show Richard Hunt, your home sold guarantee I'll buy it. Right? That's all our company's name. So all your competitors, Richard, is going to show Richard Century 21, Richard Remax, Richard Keller Williams, Richard expired real estate,
like
Richard whatever. It's going to look, act, behave like a real estate agent, and now you separate yourself. We are the only companies that has a benefits as part of our company name. We are the only company that has a consumer benefits as part of the company name. So the reason we call it the unfair advantage, the marketing unfair advantage, is because naturally you're positioning yourself as to be completely different. That's how in our company we have about 45,000 buyers in our database looking to buy homes in the area. And what's the next question she asked you?
She goes, do you really have 25,000 buyers in waiting? I said, yeah, we have more like 30,000. And she's like, really? And I was like, yeah.
So let's have that conversation again, make sure everybody. So we are still in the office and you just walk in, and what's the first thing you ask?
Oh, well, she called me to ask if are you going to write an offer? And I said, well, we're still looking at other homes, but we'd be more than happy to once they make a decision. Yeah. And she's like, well, I'm looking at your business card, and your business card does not have your company name on it. And I said, sure it does. Yeah. And she's like, where is it? I said, well, our company's name is Your Home Sold Guaranteed or I'll buy it.
And then if you look online, that's just going to look. Imagine if the owner of the house go home and then they look at the stack of business cards. There's a bunch of Century 21, there's a bunch of Coldwell Banker and stuff like that. And there's one that looked like that, Your Home Sold Guarantee I'll buy it. So when that home failed to sell, and we get that a lot. So when the home failed to sell, the agent couldn't sell the home, then naturally, who do you think the owner of the house gonna call?
Oh, yeah. Well, either us at the company because our name's on there, or myself.
Yeah, your home sold guarantee, I'll buy it. So this is it. So that's just a quick video. That's a quick tip on Sunday, Father's Day. That's my Father's Day special for all the real estate agents here, right? So as technology becoming more advanced, then it's really good because now it get, when your listing get on the MLS, it gets syndicated to over 15,000 websites. So now you being associated with your home sold guaranteed realty. So hey guys, so if a lot of real estate agents watching this, if you are because right now there's a lot of real estate, if you feel stuck, right, because the marketplace is so competitive, well, the message today is it begins. You got to separate yourself from the crowd, because if you do what everybody else does, if you do what the masses are doing, then that's not successful. All right, anything else, Richard, you want to add to help a lot of real estate agents in the area, because they're wondering, the more they talk about Century 21, the more they talk about Coldwell Banker, the more they talk about KW, the more the clients run away. And they wonder why. Well, that's the reason why. Because imagine if you're buying a car and I introduce myself as the number one salesman at Toyota. Like, how would you feel?
You're still a Toyota salesman.
Yeah. I'm the number one guy at BMW. The perception is a salesman.
Yeah, it's still a salesman.
Yeah. So the unfair advantage here that we are talking about is that we are answering, this is called unique selling proposition, by the way, but we are taking one more step further. One unique selling proposition, it answered the question, Richard, why should I do business with you over and above any of your competitors? Or why can't I just do it myself? It's a general business principle, have nothing to do with real estate, right? Unique selling proposition means, why should I do business with you over and above any of your competitors, or I don't have to do anything at all? So what we've done here in our company is that in addition to making it into a USP, the unique selling proposition, we make the USP be our company name. Your brand is the USP, and the USP is your brand. Think about it. So we're going to end this video here, but I want you to start thinking about it. Your brand is a USP. Your USP is your brand. Because one day, Richard, how long you been with the team, with the company?
9 months.
9 months. If you give it a little bit more time, 12 more months from now, right around your second or maybe your second year, you're going to find out something else interesting, which is people is going to start doing business with you because of who you are versus what you do. Think about it. People will start doing business with you when right around second year, I think, second or third, something like that, depending on how active you are promoting yourself. Not when I say promoting, I'm talking depend on how active you associating you with the brand. So people will start doing business with you because of who you are associated with, because of who you are, your home sold guaranteed, versus what you do, meaning like what you actually do. Right. So it's something to think about. That's I think that's the genius, but that's a little bit, a little bit. All right, guys. So comment below. What do you learn from this one topic conversation? Everybody thank Richard here for sharing the phone call. And we get this phone call all the time. It's just today Richard happened to be here in the office, and we're just having fun talking about, wow, people actually, that's the real estate agent, the one who asked you. Look at it from the customer perspective. That means what you do really is different. So now from the client's perspective, Richard, the client's going to say, wow, who do you think the client's going to call? That's why we have about 45,000 buyers in our buyers database, because we never talk about us. Meaning, I am the KW, I am the Remax, I'm the Century 21, I'm the expired real estate. It's all about, so look at our company name. It begins with you. Your home sold guarantee, I'll buy it. And if you go to our restroom, you're gonna see a big sign. What does the big sign say?
Your home sold guarantee.
It says, when you put others first. Right? It's
another.
So today I'm sharing a lot of business principle here. When you put others first, you will never be second. when you put other first, it begin with the name. It's not about us. We are here to serve. It's all about them, right? And it begins with our company name. All right, there is many more. We call it the real estate office of the future. Every day, I try to drop in quick gold nuggets here to help you in today's interesting, challenging real estate market.